Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Random Video House. Today's topic is the solar system. The solar system is a vast and fascinating expanse of space that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. From the fiery inferno of the Sun to the icy depths of Pluto, the solar system is home to an incredible array of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. In this documentary, we will take a journey through our solar system, exploring each of its 8 planets and learning about their unique characteristics and mysteries. Chapter 1. The Sun. Our journey begins with the Sun, the star at the center of our solar system. We will explore the incredible power of the Sun, which provides light and heat to all the planets in the solar system. We will learn about the Sun's internal structure and how it produces energy through nuclear fusion. We will also explore the Sun's outer atmosphere, including its sunspots, flares, and coronal mass ejections. Chapter 2. Mercury. Our next stop is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. We will learn about the extreme conditions on this rocky planet, including its scorching hot surface and lack of atmosphere. We will also explore the planet's history and geology, including its craters, cliffs, and mysterious hollows. Chapter 3. Venus. Our journey continues with Venus, the second planet from the Sun. We will learn about the thick, toxic atmosphere that shrouds this planet, as well as its extreme temperatures and crushing atmospheric pressure. We will also explore Venus's geology, including its volcanoes and vast lava plains. Chapter 4. Earth. Our next stop is Earth, the only planet known to support life. We will explore the unique characteristics of our planet, including its atmosphere, oceans, and magnetic field. We will also learn about the history of Earth, including the formation of the continents and the evolution of life. Chapter 5. Mars. Our journey takes us to Mars, the 4th planet from the Sun. We will learn about the red planet's thin atmosphere, its polar ice caps, and its ancient riverbeds and valleys. We will also explore the search for signs of life on Mars, including the possibility of underground water and the potential for microbial life. Chapter 6. Jupiter. Our journey continues with Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. We will explore the gas giant's many moons, including the 4 largest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. We will also learn about Jupiter's intense magnetic field, its great red spot, and its many storms and weather patterns. Chapter 7. Saturn. Our next stop is Saturn, famous for its magnificent rings. We will learn about the composition of Saturn's rings, as well as the many moons that orbit this gas giant. We will also explore the unique hexagonal cloud pattern at Saturn's North Pole. Chapter 8. Uranus. Our journey takes us to Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun. We will learn about Uranus's unusual tilt, which causes it to rotate on its side. We will also explore the planet's many moons, its faint rings, and the mysterious dark spots that have been observed on its surface. Chapter 9. Neptune. Our journey concludes with Neptune, the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. We will learn about Neptune's blue color, its many moons and rings, and its powerful winds and storms. We will also explore the search for a mysterious 9th planet that may be lurking on the edge of our solar system. Conclusion. The solar system is an incredible and vast expanse of space, full of wonders and mysteries that continue to fascinate scientists and explorers. Through our journey through the planets, we have learned about the unique characteristics of each world. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, Random Video House, and follow my Facebook page, AKN. Goodbye.